Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you a weed that we see very commonly in the summertime. This is a weed called Dallisgrass. So this weed is called Dallisgrass, and that's D-A-L-L-I-S, grass. It is a perennial, and what that means is that it comes up from the roots, so you can't prevent it from coming up with a pre-emergent. It just keeps coming back each year. In residential use, really the only control that's available is to either, if it's a big patch like this, treat it with Roundup and then lay sod back in the area. If you see small patches of it like this, or maybe like this, then you can dig it out, and you do want to dig it out because it's a spreader. And so when it starts looking like this, eventually it turns into this, and then gradually it can take over the entire yard. It will choke out the Bermuda and also the St. Augustine if it's let go long enough. So Roundup is your friend on this one, or glyphosate, something to kill it out, or hand digging it out. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to our quick tip emails. Send these on over to your friends and family as well. Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.